What is up, everybody on YouTube? It is my brother here with another video, and today's video is going to be a very special, sick video. I took this class back in January of 2021. It took me about 30 days to build the sneaker, and it's my first baby. You know, I made this one from scratch, from my love and heart, and it's something else. So I can't wait to show you guys and give you guys more information about it. Okay, guys, so here's the on feet of my sneaker itself. It's just going to be a quick on feet. If you guys want to see the actual full on feet, there'll be an ad card up here up top if it's already not posted. But anyways, here is the on feet of it. You can see it's not too bad. The toe box is a little bit off, but once again, it is my first sneaker. Very nice shoe though, I think overall. Definitely, it's a cool concept and I really do like it. And remember guys, if you do want to see the actual on feet a little bit longer length than what you guys did see, definitely click the ad card up top. Now stepping away from the on feet, let's talk about the actual details and material we have on the shoe. We do have a purple suede throughout the shoe. We do have black leather. We actually have like a very thin lining of black leather too for the sock liner. It feels really, really nice. And then we do have this off-white or maybe even an eggshell white leather. Now as far as the tongue tag, that's going to be purple suede as well. And then the swoosh is going to be purple suede as well. Now one thing I did mess up on the sneaker is the stitching. I did use white thread when in reality most sneakers are actually going to be matched with the exact same color of leather. But overall, after examining this, after it was finished, I was still happy with it, as not only was it my first sneaker, but it showed a sign of contrast. And then also we do have some parts of black pebbled leather as well. This leather was actually really tough to use and really tough to last, but it's a really nice finish of a leather. But keep in mind, it is a lot thicker. Now, if you guys want to see the next sneaker I make, or even other sneakers in the future, or even previews or questions on which sneakers I should build, definitely follow my Instagram or my TikTok, where I do show sneak peek or previews of following sneakers I do make. But now I'm going to stop talking and let you guys finish watching the rest of the sneaker build video. Here it is.
Ayy, look, ayy, bread it up like sandwich, damn bitch, are you okay? Working on my hand trick for your hoe's sake. Stunting like I better be, recipe for my own cake. Heavenly, my pedigree, better meet for my own sake. Bread it up like sandwich, damn bitch, are you okay? Working on my hand trick for your hoe's sake. Stunting like I better be, recipe for my own cake. Heavenly, my pedigree, better meet for my...
Look, drip on me puddling, vibe hella spiritual. My life did 180, low-key a miracle. Pull up looking spacey up in the coupe, but it feel like a spaceship. I'm floating, I'm faded. You know the vibe. It's love when I slide. Baddie on call, say she fuck with my type, but I hit decline cause I'm one of a kind. I got a queen and she give me the lotus. It feel like euphoria, feel like I'm royalty. I need the royalties, real nigga shit with the notary. I work on the form round the ticker to watch like it's for me. Yeah, I'm off that 4 roses when I'm in the mode. It feel like nobody is cold as me. If you talking that real shit, it's love like it's supposed to be.
Love like it's supposed to be, blessing the people who close to me, vibe like a rosary. See through these niggas like hosiery, feel like they hosing me, feel like he chosen me. God just been holding me, remember them teachers was scolding me. Back when the old me was young and depressed, I just wish he could sit down and speak with the older me, get some control of me. Cold as they made me, spiritually old as a baby, I'm feeling the greatest. I know that every true soldier gon' get what he told you, don't let him decide what your fate is. Faithfully walk through the heat of the flame, when you speaking my name, it'll shake shit. Truthfully, I'm going ape shit, about to break the mold like a shapeshift. Bread it up like sandwich, damn bitch, are you okay? Working on my hand trick for your hoe's sake. Stunting like I better be, recipe for my own cake. Heavenly, my pedigree, better meet for my own sake. Bread it up like sandwich, damn bitch, are you okay? Working on my hand trick for your hoe's sake. Stunting like I better be, recipe for my own cake. Heavenly, my pedigree, better meet for my own sake. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I did the best. Yes, I copped that crib and bought 2 chains and then I hid the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the most. I put my friends in that old Benz and took that to the coast. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I do the best. I fill my mattress, pay my taxes, then I blew the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the least. I quit my boss and cooked that sauce and fed that to the streets. Slide in the bed like a wet flow, already fried from the get-go. Alligators look like echo, everything I do they echo. Big facts, my bank on big man, my drip too wet, that spit can. Yo bitch swap me like Q-tips, hold that shit there like dip can. No rehearse, need no reverb, hold your lip, don't say 3 words. Quick trip to get that lick, broad tree fur if you prefer. Quick ride, no time, I'm in there. She clockwise, real good skincare. No TikTok for that caca, they know that love don't live there. I can't roll dice on your plan, Red Rover, I don't hold hands. Get fortune from my foresight, investment brought me 4 bands. Don't roll rage, I get roll head. We'll wheel all by your forehead. Them city John be like he lit, them country girls be like go ahead. If I ain't that man, then I gotta be more than human. How you mean? Funny how the people back then who was hating on the kid always talking about how you clean. Put a little gas in the blunt and I don't pass broke ass nigga, just please be cool. But I can't blame ya, I won't shame ya. Shit, I probably wanna be me too. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I did the best. I copped that crib and bought 2 chains and then I hid the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the most. I put my friends in that old Benz and took that to the coast. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I do the best. I fill my mattress, pay my taxes, then I blew the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the least. I quit my boss and cooked that sauce and fed that to the streets. It's no thing, no sweat, I ain't really worried about it too much. Slight work, light work, not work, I ain't really do much. Get it in, ship it out, pivot route, back corner end zone. Hit her with a best friend, I don't really know about a friend zone. Real time, real talk, fake niggas can't really match that. Put it in the insurance, Uncle Sam can't really tax that. Get the game, learn the game, play the game, sell the game, all that. Never let them tell you what you can't do, gotta change all that. Feeling myself, they be feeling me too. Baby, don't fight the feeling. I've been so high that I'm tryna scale the roof. I'm tryna bite the ceiling. They be on bullshit like a zoo fly. I be too fly to participate. I need everything for the everything. If I fuck with you, get a different rate. Got me fucked up, got me typoed. If you're thinking this shit glucose, winning in it ain't too close. I be flying out to a new coast, and I'm acting like it ain't a big deal. Really, cause it ain't a big deal. 4 freaks, I'm a 5th wheel. I was born winning, I'm the shit still. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I did the best. I copped that crib and bought 2 chains and then I hid the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the most. I put my friends in that old Benz and took that to the coast. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I do the best. I fill my mattress, pay my taxes, then I blew the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the least. I quit my boss and cooked that sauce and fed that to the streets. I want to. Tell me I like. Hey, every time I look out, I'm on my lookout. Cause niggas tripping, no I ain't hoping. No sense in voting for politicians. All of that hating, don't be creating. Food in my kitchen, all of that talking without no walking. Can't help my vision when I step out and put my neck out. They try to play me so I don't go out without my blowout. Brought that 380, all of my brothers pray for their mothers. Cause I can't tame them, got no answer. Can't kill their cancer, how can you blame them? I was hoping I could be open with all my feelings, but not fuck it. I take that bucket without no ceilings. I've been praying.
Okay guys, come back from that video. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, please give this video a thumbs up as it does help me up in the algorithm. And if you're new here, definitely subscribe. I do post Monday and Thursdays and love to see you guys here on the next video. But all in all guys, I'm excited to show you guys off the sneaker. I hope you guys liked it. It did take me a lot of hours, a lot of work. The class was fun, it was worth it. I don't think the patterns from the shoe surgeon himself are worth it. Patterns from other places are a lot better and a lot cheaper. If you guys want me to make an in-depth full video on that and resources that I only know a little bit about, definitely let me know because I'm willing to do that for you guys as well. Here's a preview of the next sneaker I actually did make already, and this video will be posted here pretty soon, so definitely subscribe to see that as well. But that's gonna do it for me guys. I have nothing else to say except follow my Instagram at YoungManaBerto to see some more daily content as far as sneakers, streetwear, and other good stuff. But that's gonna do it for me guys. So stay fresh, stay fly, I'm out.
Pots of pissing and trying to offer you propositions. What about my struggle? Be funny, they call it entertaining. Niggas got them snakes in they huddle, watch who you entertaining. All about my freedom, so I'ma need them to come correct it. Thinking I'm your enemy, all your energy misdirected. I shed a tear for my